Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So in the episode we got this cool mirror right here, and basically what this is an LED lighted makeup mirror. If you see, the one that we got right here is from this brand, and here is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it, and they also explain to you guys what is on here. Next up right here, they do provide guys the cable that you can use to recharge the product, which is USB to micro USB cable. And last but not least, we do have the product. So right here we do have the base, and then right here we do have the actual mirror. So let's take everything out and show you guys how to assemble it. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So if you guys can see, the one that I got right here is a gold color. They do have this available in other colors as well, so you definitely want to do own research to see which one you prefer. But when you guys do first get the product, you basically want to clip this part in. Make sure it kind of locks in. Once you guys lock it in, you should hear that clip. And the way how you guys remove it is by pushing on the bottom part right here, and that will unlock it. But here is basically what the product looks like when you guys clip it together. So you see for the bottom part right here, they actually have this space for you guys to put stuff on here when you guys are doing makeup. And if you guys turn to the back, if you guys notice for the product, it does give you guys the option to fold it. So if you guys want to go like this and this, you do have the option to angle how you guys want to. And then for the back part right here, they do have a battery compartment. So when you guys open up, that is where you guys will put in the battery inside if you guys want to use the battery option. So it does require 4 AAA batteries if you guys want to use that option. If you guys don't want to use that option, you can definitely use a cable that's provided for you guys to actually keep it charged. If you guys are curious about where to plug in the cable, it's right underneath in the bottom. So right here, the slot that you can plug in to activate the product. So I'm actually plugging the cable first. So if you guys plug it in. Once you guys plug it in, if you see the light that turns on right here, so that means it's charging the product. If you see right here in the bottom, they do have the brand logo. But that is basically everything that's on the outer layer of the product. Once you guys are ready to use it, you can definitely open up the mirror, either both sides or just one side. So let's open it up. So once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So you basically have one regular mirror right here, and the middle one is a lighted option. And right here is a 3 times, and right here is a 2 times. So really cool how they provide guys that option so that we can get like a zoom up view when you guys are doing your makeup. But like I mentioned, for the middle part right here, it does light up. So if you guys press the power button right here, it does turn on. And you see the light that's on here is actually pretty bright. So if you guys press on again, that will turn off. And for the light option right here, it does give you guys the option to increase or lower the brightness level on here. So if you guys turn it on, if you guys press and hold the button, that will decrease the light. If you guys press on again, that will increase the brightness level on here. And what's really cool about the product is the fact that you do have the option to fold this part up, so that way you can angle it a certain way if you guys want to. And then on top of that, you do have the option to rotate it up and down, which is pretty cool as well. But once you guys are done using it, you do want to turn off the power, and you guys want to fold it back up, and it's all set. Alright, so I just put the product on the table. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like in this point of view. So if you guys open up, here is basically what the product looks like from this point of view. So right here we do have the regular mirror, and then right here we have 3 times, and right here we do have 2 times. So you see how much closer it is when you guys use these versus these. And when you guys do turn on the light, it's actually very bright. If you guys want to turn on the brightness like I mentioned, you guys can press and hold the button, and that will bring it down. If you guys press and hold again, that will bring it back up. If you see how bright the light is when you guys do use it. And if you guys can see, it actually makes a pretty big difference when you guys do turn the light. It makes everything so much more clear. Like if you guys turn it off, it's so much darker, and you guys can't really see anything as clear. So having this light option is actually really helpful if you can see. So super easy for you guys to use the product. And it's definitely really cool how she give you guys 2 sources of power for you guys to use it. Either you guys can plug in a cable or to use a battery in the back. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality makeup mirror. They give you guys the foldable option, the rotatable option so you guys can move it up and down. And also the option how it should give you guys a light option so that way you can see everything much more clear when you guys do your makeup. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.